Hey guys. Hey guys. It's ang awkward.
Hi, welcome to my salon.
Gaming area. Hey guys. It's been a long time. Anyways, it's been a long time since nag-vlog ako. Sana ma-post to. But we're in Manila and we're gonna go to IKEA. At iba-vlog ko kasi matagal na akong hindi nagpo-post. Kasama ko si mama. Mamaya ko na siya ipapakita. Pero yeah, we're gonna go to IKEA and then mag-acting tayo dun. Acting. Pero, sige, magba-vlog tayo. Explain mo what we're doing.
We're looking for parking. Lord, paying parking.
First stop, restroom. Mom found a car. Wala tayong tripod.
Yan naman pala.
We got our cart na bag yung nandyan. Pero okay lang.
Anak, mamaya laban mo yung bag mo na.
Hey guys, we are going, mag-iikot-ikot na kami.
We're going around.
Going back.
We're going around.
Yeah.
And maybe some... Gusto ko yung...
Actually guys, kung sumama lang ako dito para mag-pogihan. Ay! Ano ba eh? Iba pala yung pinuntan. Picture!
Look at my plants. They're so healthy. I have such a green thumb. They're plastic.
Plantita! Guys, ito na yung couch na kukunin ko. Leather. Sarap nika. Higa tayo. Ay, ang sarap. Uy, pwede bang humiga na lang dito?
Hi, welcome to my salon. My mom's favorite color is yellow. Happy birthday to me and Reese.
Hey guys, ito na upuan ako. This is so... I want this sa room ko. Or ito. Ang cute niya. Ang cute. So cute. Walang araw babalikan ko kayo.
Hi, kitty cat. You wanna go with Mama?
Weirdo. May weirdo dito. Hey guys, do you want coffee? Si mama, kanina ko pa video ng paulit-ulit ang ayos-ayos ng mga takes ko sa kanya. Tapos nung ako na yung nagpapa-video kung ano-anong pinipindot, wala tuloy na video. Nagre-record pa.
Right.
Teamwork tayo dito, bes. Dito kami nagdi-dinner sa labas. Ito yung dining table namin. At ito naman yung fridge namin. Good morning. Guys, room tour. Okay, another room tour guys. Sorry, magulo yung kama ko. At ng mga dormmates. Dormmates. Yung room ko guys. Ito yung table ko. And then sa taas, yung bed ko. Pero plot twist. Bed ko din yan. Lahat dito akin. Charing. Kasama ko na yung snake nila Johnny at Jayo. What is this called?
Meatballs. Swedish meatballs.
Swedish meatballs. And I got raspberry. Say hi, Tito. Say bye.
Bye. Going home. Hedgda. Really? Did you see Hedgda?